Hello everyone and welcome to this second video in this series of tips and tricks on Alibre. And this one is about measuring. So sometimes we want to measure between two edges, and of course this is a very simple part, but it's good enough for demonstration purposes. So we measure between two edges, but then we want to see it, head on from a particular view. Let's say we want to see this measurement from the top view. And sure enough, as soon as I click on the ViewCube, this line goes away. Okay. However, let's take the measurement again. And if you look, you will see that the top view in this ViewCube can also be accessed from here. You see this, there are 6 views here, and they are the corresponding ones here. And the thing with this is that if you click them, the line persists, right? It doesn't go away. Alibre probably thinks that this is part of the screen, and when you click on it, or the workspace or whatever, and when you click on it, it's like selecting something, right? So this goes away. But these you can click, and it will persist. What's more, these have hotkeys assigned to them already. So for the top view, the hotkey is Control D5. Now, what D5 means is just the number 5. So 5 on your numeric pad, or if you don't have one, you're on a laptop, the number 5 key, right? So you just, for demonstration purposes, Control number 5 key, and I get the top view. And this way, the measurement persists. So this was the quick tip for today, and I hope I see you in the next one.